Note the color and appearance of the compound. No characteristic color and appearance. Note the order of the compound. No characteristic order. Solubility of the substance in cold water. It is readily soluble in the cold water. The compound may be sugar or urea or may be phenol. In hot water. Readily soluble in hot water, may be sugar or urea or may be phenol. The solubility of the substance in dilute HCl.
കുറച്ച്
അതൊക്കെ ചെയ്യണം.
Readily soluble in dilute HCl, may be sugar or urea or may be phenol. Note the solubility of the substance in NaOH solution. Soluble in NaOH solution, may be sugar or urea or may be phenol. Now functional groups. Test to find out whether the compound is aliphatic or aromatic. Ignition test. A little of the substance is burnt on a nickel spatula. Burns with a non-smoky flame, the compound is aliphatic. Nitration test. To a mixture of 1 ml concentrated HNO3 and 1 ml concentrated H2SO4 taken in a test tube, add a little of the compound. Heat the mixture on a boiling water bath for 15 minutes and then pour it into a cold water taken in a 100 ml beaker. After 15 minutes, pour it into a cold water taken in a 100 ml beaker. No yellow color. The compound is aliphatic. Test to find out whether the compound is saturated or unsaturated. Action with very dilute KMnO4. To the compound, add dilute KMnO4 drop by drop on a porcelain tile and mix it using a glass roll. No decolorization. The compound is saturated. Action with bromine water. To the compound on a porcelain tile, add bromine water drop by drop. No decolorization. The compound is saturated. Identification of functional group. Action with NaOH solution. Add NaOH to the little of the compound and then boil. The substance dissolves. The compound may be glucose or urea. Action with concentrated H2SO4. Take a little of the compound in a test tube and add concentrated H2SO4. And warm it. Effervescence. Occurring with the effervescence of the smell of burned sugar. The compound may be carbohydrate. Malicious test. To an aqueous solution of the compound, add 1 to 2 drops of 1% alcoholic alpha naphthalene. Add about 1 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid carefully along the sides of the test tube until a dense separate layer collects at the bottom. A violet junction of 2 layers. The compound may be carbohydrate. Tolerance test. To about 2 ml of the tolerance reagent, add a little of the compound. And then heat on a boiling water bath for a few minutes. A black precipitate is first formed and then a bright silver mirror. The compound may be an aldehyde or a reducing sugar. To about 2 ml of saline solution, add a little of the compound. And heat on a boiling water bath for a few minutes. A reddish brown precipitate, the compound is a reducing sugar. Confirmatory test for carbohydrate. Action with concentrated H2SO4. Take a little of the compound in a test tube and add concentrated H2SO4. And warm it. Effervescence. Occurring with the effervescence of the smell of burned sugar. The compound may be carbohydrate. Malicious test. To an aqueous solution of the compound, add 1 to 2 drops of 1% alcoholic alpha naphthalene. Add about 1 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid carefully along the sides of the test tube until a dense separate layer collects at the bottom. A violet junction of two layers. The compound may be carbohydrate. Ultrasound formation test. Dissolve some amount of the compound in 1 ml of water. Add about 2 ml of freshly prepared phenyl hydroxy reagent and acetic acid. And heat on boiling water bath for about 10 minutes. The compound is carbohydrate. Tolerance test. To about 2 ml of the tolerance reagent, add a little of the compound. And then heat on a boiling water bath for a few minutes. A black precipitate is first formed and then a bright silver mirror. The compound may be an aldehyde or a reducing sugar. To about 2 ml of saline solution, add a little of the compound. And heat on a boiling water bath for a few minutes. A reddish brown precipitate, the compound is a reducing sugar. So, the given compound is aliphatic saturated reducing sugar.